Hey Beer Belly fam, today we're cooking butter chicken. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at Beer Belly Food and Travel.
So here's the marinated, guys. You can marinate this in the fridge overnight for up to 24 hours or a minimum of 3 hours, or put it in the freezer for a week and take it out and use it when you need a quick meal during the week when you're strapped for time. So we're going to melt the butter over high heat in the pot or pan. And key is, take the chicken out of the marinade, but don't wipe or shake it off, and don't pour the marinade left in the bowl or the bag into the pan. And we're going to cook the chicken for about 3 minutes so it's nice and white. It won't be brown because of the marinade. There's Maggie, she's waiting for something to eat. Smells good. Chicken's cooking up. Now we're just going to flip it a couple times here. Cover. After we put in the tomato puree, the cream, salt, and sugar. And let that simmer for about 20 minutes on low. Looking good. And now it's all done. Put that over some rice. Put that beautiful sauce on there. Serve with a little bit of cilantro or dry parsley like I did, and some naan bread. Enjoy, guys. And message me on Instagram and let me know how yours turned out.